Okay, so I had to get my pliers here. So you just want to pull this little red plug out. Should come out pretty easily. Just pops right out. Now this usually just turns and comes right off. Now generally what happens here is in between this, you get a lot of stones and little particles inside this flush valve. So what you want to do is just flush it out. So you want to hold your hand on top of here like that, just to redirect the water going down. You want to turn back on the water, flush it, and just watch the water doesn't go everywhere. After that, you'll notice all different types of rocks, little stones or dirt all along the bottom of the tank. It'll flush down anyway, but you want to put everything back together the same way you took it out. This thing will just, again, just same way you took it out. You just want to put it back in. This will just turn and snap back into place. You want to add your plug, and you want to put back your cap. Now it's a pretty easy fix when your tank is making noises. Usually it's just something that's caught down inside this fill valve, like dirt or any type of different type of maybe hard water or little particles. But after you flush that out really good, you put everything back together. You turn back the water on, and everything should be good after that. And this is Macstewartplumbing.ca. If you have any other questions, you can email me and I'll answer them for you. Thank you.